Okay, here we go. How to make hard-boiled eggs which are easy to peel. Right, so you boil your water, add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon, add a little bit of vinegar, about a teaspoon, and add your eggs. I'm going to do 3 today. You know, if they come out of the fridge, they're going to be a lot colder, so they might need to be boiled a little bit longer, but I like to do my hard-boiled eggs about 10 minutes. So we just turn up the heat so it's just simmering nicely, and I'll leave those there. Yeah, leave them in for 10 minutes. So you don't want to boil them too vigorously. I think, you know, this is about right. A few little bubbles forming, boiling nicely there. Okay, so here we go. They've been done now for 10 minutes. And I'm going to pour out the hot water. There we go. Okay, now we're going to put some cold water on here. This, I think, so they say, this will help to stop the eggs from going that grey colour. I'm not quite sure. It certainly cools them down quickly if you want to use them straight away. Yeah, the water's warm already. The cold water really sucks out the warmth from the eggs, so do that again. Some people leave the tap running, but it's a bit of a waste of water, I think. So I'm just going to do it again. Maybe 2 or 3 times, and then just leave them. You can leave them there, you know, until you want to use them. Okay, the eggs are cooled now, and I'm going to crack one here, peel it rather. So what you're really looking for is an egg which peels easily. You know, I've had enough of these eggs which you peel them and it takes half of the white away with the shell. That's quite annoying. So yeah, this one's good. You know, as you can see, it comes away nicely. Just kind of use the side of your thumb there, and it comes away really nicely. So there you go, a lovely egg with none of the white missing from it. So there we go. Okay, now here's an interesting little tip here. When you have an egg and you're not sure if you've hard-boiled it or not, a very good way of finding out is to give it a good spin on your worktop. The idea is an egg which is not hard-boiled will not spin so easily because the liquid inside the egg tends to stop it from spinning. But when it's solid, i.e. hard-boiled, it spins quite freely because all of the egg is moving as you spin it. So here we go, let's do a little test. This is one I've hard-boiled, so I'm going to spin this. Yeah, you can see it spins nicely there. Okay, now here's an egg which has not been hard boiled. And let's try and spin that one. Yeah, you see it. You give it a good old spin, but it doesn't really want to spin. It kind of stops. It stops immediately. It doesn't want to spin around. Let's try even like that. It's doesn't want to know. Let's try this one again. This is the hard boiled one. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, here's the egg. I've just sliced it, and it's yeah, perfect. You know, I'm not quite sure what the vinegar and the salt does to stop the eggshell sticking to the egg, but it really seems to work. You know, I'm not really going to bother to go into this, do any scientific research to find out. Maybe it's just magic, who knows? But it works. Magic which works is probably good magic. There you go. Egg mayonnaise. Ham and egg mayonnaise. Paprika, very nice on here. One of my favourites. Some bread for toasting, maybe?